As we said, the opposition demanding a discussion, a debate on Operation Sindoor, as well as President Trump's claims. Now, 16 hours have been allotted for the discussion on Operation Sindoor. Opposition parties demanded that it should take place with the Prime Minister responding after that. However, the debate will only take place next week. The Prime Minister will be leaving on a foreign tour this week. Aishwarya with the details.
Several apprehensions as far as the opposition bloc is concerned. They raised it in the all-party meeting yesterday, starting from why it was United States President Donald Trump who first announced on the social media, being declared on different platforms as far as the DGMO level talks in India and Pakistan is concerned. Mallikarjun Kharge today in the Rajya Sabha stated that it was a complete intelligence failure, and that too it was stated by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. And the major demand that the opposition parties were seeking from the government is that there should be Prime Minister who should either start the debate or conclude the debate in the Parliament, because Prime Minister is the leader of the House. He has all the right to respond, but the government had been stating that it would be Defence Minister, and the sources have also indicated that the briefing that was being given to Defence Minister at his residence day before yesterday by the CDS, NSA and the Tri Services Chief arriving, it is a detailed statement or an introduction that could be given by Defence Minister. The Business Advisory Committee, which had just concluded in the Parliament of the Lok Sabha, had now made a consensus. The debate around Operation Sindoor will happen next week. The timing had been given, 16 hours of the time duration had been allotted for the discussion on Operation Sindoor. We have been told that a few other decisions had also been taken as far as the BSE is concerned. Upon the arrival of Subhanshu Shukla, there would be at least 2 hours of discussions on that as well. Discussion on the issue of Manipur will also happen this week in the Parliament, apart from it, there are also 12 hours that had been given to discuss on the income tax bill. Remember, the bill had, or the committee had submitted its report. Sports bill that will come up this week. There would be a discussion on that this week as well. So a major demand has been accepted by the government. Operation Sindoor debate will be in the Parliament. 16 hours of time period has been allotted for the entire debate.